Hello class 9th. Today we are going to discuss methods of the early nationalist, which is a part of lesson 3, page 93. Main objective of this part are as follows: to educate people in India in modern politics, to arouse national political consciousness, to create united public opinion. Before discussing this topic, we must know the following terms. Important terms are as follows: deputation, a group of people appointed to undertake a mission. Session, meeting of an official body. Resolution, a firm decision. Petition, a form of written request. Memorandum, a written message by higher authorities for sharing information. Conciliation, process of ending arguments. Confrontation, argumentative situation between opposing parties. Government, the group of people who govern the country. As we know, methods of early nationalists were moderate in nature for their demands, aims, and objectives. They believed in patience. Patience means capacity to accept problems, conciliation, and no confrontation means without arguments. They wanted, in order to adopt the constitutional means to realize their aims. Moderate leaders wanted to educate the people. Educate means to give moral and intellectual instructions. Develop political awareness means awareness about public affairs. Create powerful public opinion means collective opinion of the people on specific issues. For this, many processions were taken out, meetings were held, speeches were delivered, discussions were held on various issues like social, political, and economic. Procession means act of moving along with a formal manner. Social issues related with society, political issues related with the public affairs, economic issues related with income, expenditure, production, and distribution. Now let's come to the reading part. Methods of early nationalists. The methods of early nationalists were moderate in their demands, aims, and objectives. They believed in patience. Patience means capacity to accept the sufferings, and conciliations, and not in confrontation means without argument. They believed in orderly progress means they want progress step by step, and adopted the constitutional means to realize their aim. To create, they wanted to educate the people, to arouse the political consciousness, and to create the powerful public opinion in favor of their demands. They organize the annual session. Educate means to give the moral and intellectual information. Political, as we have discussed, the idea of being self-aware on political affairs. Public opinion, collective opinion. For this, many processions were taken out, procession moving along, meetings were held, speeches were delivered, and discussions were held on various economic, social, and political questions. Economic, I discussed, related with the income, expenditure, production, distribution. Social, related with society. Political question related with administrative questions. After the discussions, resolutions were adopted. Resolution means firm decisions. Moreover, early nationalists drafted petition memorandums. Petition means form of written request. Memorandum means written message for sharing information. And they submitted to the government. The early nationalists sent deputation. Deputation means the part in the formal process on behalf of the local group of the Indian leaders to England to enlighten themselves. Enlighten means to raise awareness. In 1889, a British Committee of Indian National Congress was founded. It was established in Britain by Indian National Congress in 1889. Why? What was the main objective? Main objective was to raise the awareness of Indian issues on the public in Britain. And the time of British Committee was 1889 to 1920. Moreover, they have promoted the Indian political progress. That is why the General India was started by this committee. Journal means the newspaper or magazines that deals with the particular subjects. On the other hand, Dadabhai Naoroji was also living in England. He spent most of the period of his life in England, and he formed the East India Association in 1886, and he was famous for his theory drain of wealth. Now let's come to the reading part. The early nationalists drafted petition. Petition, I told you, that is a form of written request. And memorandum, that is the memorandum means the written message for sharing information, and submitted them into the government. They wanted to convey their feelings to government so that to see gradually bring the authorities around to see the viewpoint, to influence the British government, and to enlighten. Enlightenments to make aware the British public and political leaders. The early nationalists sent deputations. Deputation must take part in the formal process on behalf of the other group on leading Indian leaders to England. In 1889, a British committee of the Indian National Congress was founded. As I told you, that is, they want to raise the awareness among the Indian people who were living in Britain. A journal called India. Journal means newspaper or magazines, which is published for specific issues, was shared by the committee in 1890. Dadabhai Naroji, as I told you, he was a Indian born, but he was a member of the British Parliament. Dadabhai Naroji spent a major part of his life in England and carried a political propaganda on a large scale. The early nationalists also used the press for criticizing the wrong policies of the government and organizing the public opinion on various political, economic, and social problems of the day. Children, we will do till here. In the crux, we can say the all the moderate leaders, they use the moderate methods to bring the change. You will have to read it this part again, and you will have to solve the long question number 2. Thank you.